Hello everyone. Most of the product developers, application developers, build the product in a way that these products generate the log files and logging the useful information into those log files. These log files can be at different log level. So it can be info, debug, trace, and so on. So why we need these log files? These log files usually contain useful information which we can later on reference and understand how the product actually performing. And for some products, the application owners, developers, they're giving an option to modify these log levels. By default, most of the cases, the application generates log levels at info level. So info level is counted as a basic information. It's generally logging only basic information, which are still useful if you look at the log files. But for most of the cases, the developers give you an option to change the log level from info to higher levels. That's how we call it. It's higher level, which can be debug, trace, and so on. The goal here is to understand whether we can see detailed information on how the application is performing. And we actually see a detailed information when we look at the debug level logs. And as you can imagine, when we switch log level to debug level, it's generating a lot of logs, which in result causing a huge file size. And this is the reason by default the developers leave the log level at info level. So we only switch to debug or trace only while investigating the issue. So temporarily we can switch to debug, and then later on, once we investigated the issue, we switch back to info level. So it's good to know that almost every product has log files, and developers build them in a way they log useful information in the log files. So we can later on reference and understand what's going on while investigating the technical issues. That's all I wanted to share today, and thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.